Are you tired of using over-the-counter creams and ointments that are full of chemicals? If you're looking to switch to an all-natural solution that benefits your physical and emotional well-being, then let me tell you about Balms and Salves. These natural powerhouses have been used for centuries to address a number of ailments, from soothing skin irritations to relieving muscle aches and pains. Salves or balms are made from beeswax, herbal infused oils, and usually have essential oils added to them. Herbal balms and salves are topical remedies that are designed to be applied directly to the skin to provide targeted relief. Herbal balms and salves are a natural alternative to over-the-counter ointments and creams. They are becoming increasingly popular because of their effectiveness and their lack of harsh chemicals. Each herb and the infused oils that are added to the balm or the salve have their own benefits and are meant to be carefully crafted for a particular need. Alright, let's talk the benefits of various herbal balms. And as always, I'm going to drop a link in the description for each one of these balms so you can try them out for yourself. Lavender balm is your multi-purpose remedy. Its calming and soothing effects make it perfect for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. When applied to the skin, lavender balm can help alleviate skin irritations, such as rashes or insect bites. Its antiseptic qualities also make it an ideal treatment for minor cuts and burns. Lavender also promotes a better sleep quality, reduces anxiety, and even alleviates symptoms of migraines. A ginger balm is a true powerhouse when it comes to relieving pain and inflammation. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger balm can provide relief to sore muscles and joints, making it an excellent choice for athletes who are suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Ginger balm can also improve circulation and promote detoxification. Its warming properties help increase blood flow to the applied area. A helichrysum balm is a must-have for anyone looking to rejuvenate their skin. It's renowned for its skin rejuvenating properties, making it a popular ingredient in anti-aging skincare products. Helichrysum oil can help diminish scars, age spots, and wrinkles, while also leaving you with a radiant complexion. Helichrysum also has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, meaning it's helpful for relieving pain, especially arthritis and muscle strains. Helichrysum has a sweet honey-like aroma. Peppermint balm offers a refreshing and invigorating experience. When applied topically, it can alleviate headaches, soothe sunburns, and relieve itching caused by insect bites or skin irritations. Peppermint balm also has antimicrobial and antiviral properties, making it an effective remedy for treating minor skin infections. Geranium balm has anti-aging properties, making it perfect for those looking to maintain a youthful complexion. A geranium balm can reduce fine lines and wrinkles and help tighten the skin. Geranium balm is also ideal for people who have sensitive skin. Its balancing properties can help the skin regulate sebum production, improving overall skin texture. A tea tree balm is a powerful antiseptic. It has antimicrobial properties, making it effective for battling acne-causing bacteria. It can also get rid of fungal infections in the nails or feet. It also has anti-inflammatory and wound healing properties. It can reduce redness and swelling, and aid in the healing process of minor cuts and abrasions. Herbal salves and balms are a true gift from nature. They offer a natural approach to skincare and well-being, and provide relief from a wide range of ailments. Whether you're looking to soothe sore muscles or rejuvenate your skin, or to just get a little more relaxed, herbal balms and salves have got you covered. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated on all things herbalism and aromatherapy. And I'll see you guys next time.